Hello friends, today we will make a new chicken tasty dish, honey mustard chicken. It is sweet and sour in taste. So check it out. For this we need chicken. Here I have taken 18 pieces of boneless medium chicken, 3.5 teaspoon honey, 1.5 teaspoon mustard sauce, orange juice, handful kaju or cashew, 1 lemon, half large or 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon red chili powder, whole garam masala like bay leaves or tej patta, red chili, cloves or long, cinnamon, grained cardamom and peanut oil or mustard oil. Now blend kaju or cashew, ginger, garlic, mustard sauce and lemon juice. The mixture is ready. Let's mix half teaspoon red chili powder, Now marinate the chicken properly with this mixture for minimum half an hour. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos and hit the bell icon. Please share my videos with your friends. I will wait for your tips in comments and please hit like if you like them. Now heat 2 tablespoons of peanut or mustard oil. Fry cumin seeds along with whole garam masala for 1 minute. Then add minced onion, you can add salt. I'm getting the fried flavor of onion and spices. Let's add marinated chicken. Mix the chicken pieces with the fried spices. Now fry the chicken in medium to high flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. You can add salt to taste. After this, add required amount of water. And cook it in low to medium flame. In around 5 to 7 minutes, add orange juice. And again cook for 5 minutes. To balance the sour taste, add 3½ teaspoon of honey. Cook this for 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken pieces become tender. Juicy, sweet and sour tasted chicken is ready. I'm getting nice flavor of it. Too tasty. Please try it at your home and let me know. Take care. Bye bye.